Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum. Yesterday we took a look at the Linda pistol on the table and its history and how it works. Today we're going to do some actual shooting with it. So I have brought it out to the backup gun match. This is like totally not a backup gun, but this is a cool little match for a variety of pistols that are unusual, and this certainly fits the bill. So I will be in the Big 5 division today, which means I have to start with my honkin' big magazines downloaded to just 5 rounds. I can reload after 5 rounds if I want to, but the stages in this match suggest that I probably won't need to. So, got a single point, Weaver single point, fiber optic powered red dot, early 1980s vintage red dot optic on there, and let's see how it's gonna do.
What's in the box, man? What's in the box?
Fuck, did I fucking mask my earplug in? No wonder it felt tight.
Funny if somebody had replaced the gun.
Yeah, that's a lot better.
Please put that in the video.
Ah, yes.
We may load and make ready.
I feel like you're hiding behind me.
I'm sorry.
I just had to know a more elegant version of something that
Sadly, I can only load this to 5 rounds because I'm in Big 5.
I'm not really sure.
But I got a spare mag if I have the need to use it.
Seen him here and there.
Shooter, give me a nod when you're ready. Shooter ready! Stand by! Okay, if you're finished, unload, show me clear.
Guess I only need 3.
Okay, give me a nod when you're ready.
Right? I love that.
Ready?
Shooter ready! Stand by! Okay, if you're finished, unload, show me clear.
So I was trying to shoot both headshots in one shot clean through, and I don't think I pulled it off.
I don't know which of those was your first shot. Yeah.
Ah! I did get it!
I think that was the headshot. Was it the head? Was the first one?
I think so.
That lines up.
Because I saw that one when he was shooting.
I did get it. And then I visually assessed to try and see if I got it, and I couldn't
I
see
saw you
that
look.
hit, so I fired 2 more.
I saw you look and go, that should.
I should have trusted myself.
Yeah.
Ah! Ah!
Shooter is ready. Stand by.
Put my feet on that.
Unload and show clear.
Cleaned it. This red dot is antiquated, but especially for ranges like this, it works really well. The fiber optic thing lights it up very nice and bright, at least here in the Arizona sun. Like, it works really well. It's a fixed barrel pistol. It's very accurate.
You're not going to shoot it from the holster?
Still working on finding a holster.
All right, shooter, give me a nod when you're ready. Shooter ready! Stand by! Okay, if you're finished, unload, show me clear. And range is safe. Time is 4 seconds. 1 penalty for shooting them out of order. It's near to far.
Oh. Oops.
What's the penalty cost?
5 seconds.
5 seconds.
I
You didn't like this.
didn't even realize that. I guess I should have paid closer
21
attention.
Okay, I got one for you.
All right, so that ended up actually being kind of anticlimactic because I fired not more than 5 rounds in any stage, and I think I cleared everything. I fired a total of, I shouldn't even say this before actually reviewing the footage, but I think 16 rounds today. This thing, for all of its 80s luster and bravado and goofiness looking today, is actually a pretty darn good pistol if you discount the fact that it weighs a metric ton. The Weaver Qwik-Point is actually a pretty decent sight. It's got a really huge red dot, but for a situation like this kind of match, that works just fine. It's nice and easy to pick up. The gun is extremely accurate mechanically because it's got a fixed barrel and fixed sight. The bolt just reciprocates inside, so you don't have your sights moving around. Never had a chance to really unleash the full power of the full magazine, but that's because I just hit everything with it. I think we will definitely have to bring this back in some other context that is better suited to it. But that was certainly a lot of fun to do today. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.